Good morning, my name is Rick Gray with Belkorp Ag. I'd like to introduce the 300-gallon low-profile orchard sprayer. This sprayer is equipped with a 4-way manifold. This 4-way manifold is a fluid manifold, self-explanatory, 4-way. Here is for the gun. Turn the gun live. This gun here is an aluminum gun, trigger handle, lockable here, adjust for your pressure here. You have 25 foot of hose. Then you have your booms. You have your left side, right side, center. Left side here, right side, center. It's coupled with a Honda GX 160 4 horsepower motor, coupled with a centrifugal pump with a spin-on cartridge filter. Here's where you adjust your pressure. That reads here. Here is your bypass that you open and close here. Here's your boom. This is a 12 to 20 orchard boom with aluminum covers. This also has an aluminum extension on the end. By disconnecting here, loosening here, taking this off, and now there's a shorter boom. This boom, you can get to your nozzle body here from the back. This nozzle body is a double swivel here on the end. And this double swivel means that your spray material will then shoot out past the coverage here. As you can see when we were setting it up, this is about how far out beyond the boom it will go. So there's no need for you to get close to the tree, because as you see, your kill zone is still here and you have a covered, wind protected boom here. This boom also has a double coil shock here for bounce. It's a very nice field boom here. Here in the back, you have a fully covered boom, and you raise and lower with your bulldog jack here. If you need to tweak your boom a little more in the back, you can also raise and lower here from the main frame here. Well, how about we go ahead and start it? The Honda motor, very simple to start. You come over to this side, you make sure that the switch here is in the on position. You make sure that your fuel is on. This is your choke. Go ahead and pull. As you can see, we're at about 40 pounds of pressure. Here, we'll probably go at about 42, 43. No need to make any adjustment, but again, if I needed to make that adjustment, I would come down and make that adjustment here. This is how simple this unit is. You are now spraying, and as you can see, you know your left side and your right side is on, your center is not. Now I will turn my center on. I'm going to turn my center off, and we're going to now look at the pattern. As you can see, you have a good kill zone right here, which is basically 2 feet away from your boom. Fantastic paper. So this is the all-new 300-gallon low-profile orchard sprayer sold by Belkorp Ag. Thank you.